Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today is June 8th, 2022. We're at InfoComm 2022. We're gonna be walking around, showing you, just me doing my thing, talking to people. Let's go check it out. This podium talks to the screen, so whatever you're doing here, you could just show up. It's part of the wall. Look at that speaker. Count the tweeters. How many tweeters you get? It's so slim to the wall. Is there no mount? Is it just cabinets mounted straight to the wall?
No, it mounts to some L bracket rails. So everything comes with it. It's on all-in-one.
Okay.
So everything is surface mounted here. Your power supplies, your controller, your speakers, everything is built in here. Type C with lightning. Hey Jeffrey, how you doing?
Digital Dreams. No.
They're out of
Sacramento.
They're also a certified.
Nevada.
They're also a certified installer for us. So they are our flex labor. We're trying to get them more.
Pretty big booth this year.
Biggest one here.
Is
Biggest
it?
one in the show.
Okay, sick. Yeah, I was like, man, this thing looks huge. And then your 4K in the front.
8K.
8K on the front.
8K in the
okay.
front. That's a 0.6.
Okay.
220 diagonal.
The wall.
New.
Tell me what all you've installed.
So I've done planar. I've done do a ton of SNA right now.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
I'd like to see more like technically on that. And keep going.
I'm certified Epson. A ton of Samsung.
Yeah.
A ton of Samsung.
So you've done all those.
Yeah, I've done all those.
You know those. And then like nanolumens.
Nanolumens. I've done nanolumens. My first wall ever was a nanolumens wall.
There's options and opportunities.
Yeah. I'll catch up with you after the madness that you're going to be here talking to 10,000 people.
Yeah, that's
I'll
fine.
remind you. Remember that one guy that was bugging you?
Yeah, that's fine.
doing a lot of cool projects, man.
Have you seen the YouTube channel?
I've seen that shit.
Okay,
man.
yeah.
I be lurking.
Yeah. yeah. Thank you.
Oh, man.
See you later.
Have a good one, brother.
This.
Inside or outside?
inside,
Oh,
outside.
yeah, there you go.
Got it?
Like an accordion.
Right.
That's it, guys. InfoComm 2022. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked all the footage that we showed you. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.